Siddhi, I think we only have a little bit of time left now. We could possibly look at an overall reading for the whole group.
Yes. So, everyone, think of a number between 1 and 5, including 1 and 5 also is allowed.
Okay.
I'm taking messages for you.
So everyone think about a number between 1 and 5, including 1 and 5. Do they need to share this, Siddhi? Do they need to
Only
say
if they
what
wish to.
number?
Only if they wish to. That's completely fine. But I'm going to wait for 10 seconds before I give away my answers.
All right.
Awesome. So, here I go. People who selected number 1, this reading is for you. This card is for you. This card tells you that it is time. Right now is the time to give birth to new ideas, to work on newer plans, to approach life in a different way. This is the time of your life we are receiving a lot of guidance from the divine. That's why you might be receiving a lot of ideas to work on. Those are the right ideas for you. Your angels are watching over you. Go ahead and work with the new ideas. It's right for you to go ahead and work with new ideas. People who selected number 2, if you think that around you are big and dark mountains and you cannot see your way ahead, your angels are guiding you. No matter how dark the time will be, just go ahead and make a prayer. See this picture, how this angel is taking care of 2 kids around her while everything else is dark, but she has the light. The same way, the divine is going to guide you, take you ahead, and make the journey way beautiful, way divine. People who selected number 3, some good news is coming into your family. This is a card of family and happiness and joy. So if you were looking at maybe getting engaged or maybe approaching someone, maybe go ahead and propose to someone, this is the time, very right time. In fact, and if you're waiting for some kind of good news coming into your family, it is coming your way. People who selected number 4, you need to calm down a little. You need to go ahead and see your situation and everyone else involved with little bit of compassion, like the one who's consoling the other one. If you are in a situation where you yourself do not have a calm heart, a forgiving heart, or compassion in yourself, it's time you invoke. Maybe a completely new picture will form in your mind. In that case, all your judgments will go away, all your assumptions will go away, and you will have a different approach that will help you come out of it. And people who had selected number 5, please shine your light. You have a lot of it. Like this angel here, she has both her hands open. This is also indicative that you have healing powers. This is also indicative that you might be an earth angel yourself, that your purpose, your life's purpose might also be to go ahead and help so many others. All right. So people with number 5, go ahead and shine your light. It is the right time for you.
Thank you so much, Siddhi. How wonderful. I thought of 3, so I'm waiting for the good news to
Yes.
come.